Building a lab concept. In this video, we will discuss about concept of building a lab. In this course, I will show you how you can build your own lab at your own PC or at your own house. Sometimes learner try to perform ethical hacking step in his or her company's network, and that will down the entire company's network due to lacking of knowledge. So it is very important to understand how you can build your own lab and how you can isolate your own lab from company's network. With this course, you get hands-on practice. You deserve have to really learn the content. Right way doing it, building a own hands-on lab. So in this video, you might be look at some option we have and building a lab to provide environment for hands-on practice. And my friend, also equally important for keep us out of trouble. So let's begin discussion on lab idea with the Suresh. You can look over here. Suresh is working on this laptop and his laptop is connected with the switch, and switch is connected with the router, and router is connected with the firewall, and firewall is connected with the router, and router is connected with the internet. It is WAN connection. So it's all Suresh company's network. And Suresh want to perform some ethical hacking step in his laptop. He has no right to gather information of company's internal servers, company's firewalls information, company switch information. Because if Suresh accidentally try to gather information about firewalls or internal server to learn something from this course, and without knowledge of ethical hacking, without proper knowledge of ethical hacking, might be it will down entire networks. So it is very important to build own lab in his laptop and isolate his lab from this entire network. So in this video I will show you how Suresh will build his own lab into his laptop. So let's begin. You can see over here it's a Suresh PC, and Suresh has installed a Windows 8 operating system in his laptop, and in Windows 8 he has installed a VMware workstation, and in VMware workstation he installed virtual machine for Windows Server, Kali Linux operating system, Windows based host like Windows 8, Windows 7, Metasploit, and OWASP BWA. So these are VMs. It's installed for performing ethical hackings practicals. So Suresh wants to isolate these VMs from physical network. So you can see this is a physical network of Suresh company, and it has subnet 192.168.0.0. Suresh installed VM into VMware Workstation software. So Suresh will create VMnet1. It's a virtual network of VMware Workstation, and VMnet1 is a virtual network of this VMware Workstation. So it will connect all the VMs to the VMnet1. VMnet1 has a different network than 192.168.0.0. If Suresh want to communicate a VM to the physical network, he will create bridge to the 192.168.0.0. So it has one LAN card and it has IP address of 192.168.0.xyz. So if Suresh has two LAN card, he can create different physical network also, like he has another LAN card. He can create 10.0.0.0 network for LAN card 1, or he can create 192.168.0.0 for LAN card 2. So using VMware Workstation, we can isolate our network from physical network. So it will not damage accidentally to our existing network infrastructure of our company or our own work network. So in the next video, we will see how we can use VMware Workstation to isolate the VM network from our physical network.